Good Monday morning, everybody. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another check of your forecast. We're going to start things off with a look at our temperatures in August, and really don't see this very often across the tri-state in August, where we have had more below average temperatures than we have had above average temperatures, and we are expected to continue that below average streak early this week and possibly even into the middle part of the week. Averages right around 90 this time of the year. In fact, you can see the average days here. We're going to be well below 90 for a good part of the week, which is certainly good news. However, as we look 6 to 10 days out, according to the Climate Prediction Center, it is showing some confidence in the possibility of above average temperatures here. This will take us out toward the middle and into the second half of the month. So just keep that in mind. I mean, you can't be entirely surprised because it is August. It's supposed to be hot. We've been lucky as of late. We'll also be dry in the short term here through about the middle part of the week before rain chances start to increase as we get into the second half of the week and into the weekend as well, as we're looking at the possibility of maybe a little bit of a pattern change. But today, nice and dry for both Bowling Green and Owensboro. Really nothing to worry about. I will say the only thing we have to keep an eye on today is, one, we will see some increasing cloudiness as we go through the day. But notice even by the lunch hour this evening, temperatures only into the lower 80s. A decaying system is going to head our way that's going to be responsible for that increasing cloudiness, but it could try to throw a couple of showers our way in the overnight hours and later tonight. However, the atmosphere in the upper levels is so dry that a lot of what you see here, most of those showers could evaporate as they fall through the sky. So by the time they reach the surface, it comes off as just a couple of sprinkles for the most part. That's about what we're going to call for the forecast for tonight. So afternoon cloudiness, temperatures once again 6-8 degrees below average in Bowling Green and for most locations here. Another great day. Hopefully you can get outside and really enjoy it. Temperatures tonight again below average, mid 60s. Really nothing to worry about yet again outside of a couple of sprinkles. And then notice the extended forecast looks really good the first half of the week. Watch for some rain showers if you're headed to Louisville for the State Fair on Thursday. And then those rain chances could remain in the forecast as we get into the upcoming weekend.